In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Doordash order and maximize your chances of a refund. Whether plans change or you spot a mistake right after placing the order, knowing exactly where to tap and what to look for can save you time and money. Start by opening the Doordash app and heading straight to the Orders tab. You'll find it along the bottom of the screen. This section shows your current and past orders with active ones at the top. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and signed into the correct account so everything loads properly. If you have multiple recent orders, take a second to identify the one you actually want to cancel. Next, select the active order you want to cancel. Opening it lets you see the details: restaurant name, items, delivery address, and estimated arrival time. Double checking here helps you avoid cancelling the wrong order by mistake, especially if you placed similar orders or are ordering for someone else. Now look to the top right corner of the order screen and tap Help. This opens the support menu specific to that order. Depending on your app version, the Help button may appear as text or a small icon, but it will always be in that top right area. Tapping it gives you the tools you need to manage problems quickly. From the Help menu, choose Cancel Order and follow the prompts to confirm. The app may ask you to pick a reason or review a quick summary of your cancellation. Read the confirmation screen carefully. It often indicates what kind of refund to expect before you finalize. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. Once you do, the order will stop processing and Doordash will begin the refund process based on your eligibility. Timing is crucial. Refund eligibility depends on whether the restaurant has confirmed your order or a dasher has been assigned. The sooner you act, the better your chances. If you cancel before the restaurant starts preparing your food and before a dasher is on the way, you're more likely to receive a full refund. If the restaurant has already confirmed or a dasher has been assigned, you may see only a partial refund or an adjustment to cover preparation or delivery efforts. You can usually tell where things stand by checking the status indicators on the order screen, like looking for a dasher, dasher assigned, or order confirmed. To wrap up, open the Doordash app, go to Orders, select the active order, tap Help, choose Cancel Order, and confirm. Move quickly for the best refund outcome, and remember, cancelling before a dasher is assigned gives you the highest chance of a full refund.